Ant and Bee by Angela Banner. This book is called Ant and Bee because it is all about bee and ant. Ant. Ant, ant. One day, Ant stopped playing because he was called by bee. Ant, ant, to the home of Ant and Bee. Bee called Ant to come home to their cup. The cup was a nice home. Bee told Ant they must wait in their cup home because their best friend was coming to their cup to see them. Their friend was called Kind Dog. Kind Dog said he had come to take Ant and Bee for a ride on his back. So off went Kind Dog, loppity, loppity, lop, to far away. Far away, on the ground in front of Kind Dog, there sat an egg. Kind Dog and Ant and Bee were going very fast and could not see this egg because there was a fog. Fog is like smoke. Kind Dog could not see the egg because of the fog. Kind Dog trod on the egg, splish, slish a slip. When Kind Dog slipped on the broken egg, he bumped into a big box of chewing gum. Kind Dog bumped his head on the big box full of chewing gum. Suddenly, the fog went away. Then Ant and Bee could see more big boxes of chewing gum. When Kind Dog bumped into the big box full of chewing gum, poor Kind Dog squashed his hat. The squashed hat looked funny. Ant and Bee did not laugh at the squashed hat because underneath the squashed hat, poor Kind Dog had a big lump on his head. To make the lump better, Ant and Bee got a cube of ice. Ice is frozen water, and bumps and lumps get better with ice. Kind Dog wanted more ice for his bump lump, so Ant and Bee went away to get lots more ice. Ant and Bee got lots more ice, and they put all the ice they got into a small jug. The ice in the jug very soon made the bump lump better. Then Kind Dog drank the cold water from melted ice in the jug. Then off they went again, loppity loppity lop, too far away. Then Kind Dog stopped because he saw a key. The key was lost. Ant and Bee put the lost key inside the empty jug. Then off they went again, loppity lop lop, loppity lop, too far away. Then Kind Dog stopped again because this time he saw a leg. The leg belonged to a man. Ant and Bee and Kind Dog asked the man why he was standing on one leg. The man said he had to stand on one leg because his other leg was caught on a net. The net was made of wire, and the net had caught the man by the sock on his leg. Ant and Bee helped the man to get his leg away from the net. Then the man wanted to give them a wheelbarrow ride, but the wheelbarrow wheel needed some oil. Push. Fill here. Wheels go round easily with oil. After some oil, the wheelbarrow wheel began to turn because oil is slippery. Then off they all went for a wheelbarrow ride. Rumble, rumble, rumble. The man said he would take them to see his pig. The pig was very big. The pig had a curly tail that looked like a big Q. The pig was very sad. The sad pig was crying. The sad pig said there was someone who came and ate up all his food while he was asleep. The pig said that this someone was a rat. The pig said the rat was bad. The man said the rat was bad. The man asked Kind Dog to chase the rat too far away. Then Kind Dog was very hot because he had run so far. Kind Dog was made to feel even hotter by the sun. The sun was very hot, and the sun made Kind Dog very thirsty. The man filled the jug with water for Kind Dog to drink. Then the man saw the lost key in the jug, and the man said he had lost the key. The key was for a toy. It was a funny wind-up toy. The man said the toy was too small for his big children. Suddenly, the sun went behind a cloud and it began to rain. At once, B opened up his umbrella. B. The rain fell on the umbrella, and so the rain did not wet B. Ant had no umbrella, and Kind Dog and the man had no umbrella, and so they all kept dry by going inside a van. The van belonged to the man. Ant called B to come to the van, so B put down his umbrella and got inside the van. Then the man took them all for a van ride till the rain stopped. Inside the van there was a web. The web had no spider because the web was too shaky, because the van was too bumpy. Rump, rump, rump. After a very bumpy van ride, Ant and B thanked the man and blew the man goodbye. XXX. When XXX is drawn on paper, then XXX is kisses. Suddenly, the man shouted to Ant and B to ask if they would like a goodbye present. Ant and B said, yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Ant and B said, yes, yes, yes. So the man gave Ant and B the toy and the key, and Ant and B thanked the man and blew kisses. Then off went Kind Dog and Ant and B, loppity lop, lop, loppity lop, to the zoo. Kind Dog lives in this zoo with the zoo man who looks after all the zoo animals. Can you see where Kind Dog and Ant and B are in this picture of the zoo? They are on their way to show the toy to the zoo man.